Thank you for joining us today with our weekly economic video update for Monday, December 12th, 2011. December's initial University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index is in, and the reading of 67.7 represents a 6-month high. This is a 3.6% increase from the final November survey. The sub-index of consumer expectations, which some regard as an indicator of future consumer spending, improved from 55.4 to 61.1. In other positive news for households, retail gas prices hit a low unseen since February on December 5th. According to the American Automobile Association, $3.27 was the national average for a gallon of regular unleaded fuel.
The 52.0 reading on the Institute for Supply Management's November Service Sector Index was the lowest since January 2010. Anything above 50 still denotes an expansion, but the reading disappointed investors. Economists polled by Reuters had forecast a 0.6% gain to 53.5.
The Mortgage Bankers Association reports that home loan demand hit a 4-month peak in the week of November 28th to December 2nd. According to Freddie Mac's latest figures, the average rate on the 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was 3.27% last week. Interest rates on 30-year loans averaged 3.99%.
Despite strong Friday gains, oil and gold both had down weeks. Oil futures slipped 1.54% across the 5 days to 99.41, while gold futures lost 34.20 across the same time frame to settle at 1712.80 per ounce on the COMEX December 9th.
A new EU fiscal treaty helped stocks push north on Friday, even with the UK opting out of the deal. Across December 5th to the 9th, the Dow Jones Industrials Average gained 1.37%, the S&P 500 gained 0.88%, and the NASDAQ gained 0.76%. At the close on Friday, the Dow was at 12,184, the S&P at 1255, and the NASDAQ at 2646.
And this week, no major economic news is scheduled for Monday, at least not stateside.
Tomorrow, the Census Bureau issues retail sales data for November, a Federal Reserve FOMC meeting occurs, and we have third quarter earnings from Best Buy.
And on Wednesday, an OPEC meeting concludes.
Then on Thursday, a plethora of earnings reports roll out from Adobe, FedEx, RIM, Rite Aid, Discover, and Accenture. And we also get the November PPI, the latest weekly jobs claims, and a report on industrial output.
Friday brings November's CPI and the speech from the ECB President Mario Draghi.
That's what we're looking at this week. My name is Eric Hagan.
I'm Greg Petrie.
We'll keep our finger on the pulse of the economy and report back to you next Monday.
So subscribe now and see us then.